Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Unang mensahe po ni Capricorn ay healing. Ayan. So, maybe Capricorn, may mga physical ailments kayo or siguro iba sa inyo emotional na aspeto yung merong problema, no? Maaring you have a troubled heart, maaring ganon, or kung ano pa man na discomfort sa sarili ninyo. And maybe now is the time that you're going to receive that healing powers, no? From the universe and the rest of your spirit team. At ayan ay gagaling na kung ano man ang inyong dinaramdam, no? Probably din ang iba sa inyo is a healer at maaaring you are being invited now to embrace your healing powers para makatulong kayo sa ibang tao, para magsimula na kayong mag-heal ng mga tao. So we have career, maybe that is going to be your career as a healer. Maaaring ang iba sa inyo is going to switch careers dito from working 9 to 5 job, baka you're going to turn your career path into a spiritual career, no? So, ang iba siguro din sa inyo dito, ang focus is yung karera ninyo sa ngayon. And maybe, yung career ninyo na pipiliin ninyo sa ngayon could be also in alignment with your life purpose. So, yan ang napipick up ko dyan. Maaari talaga na ang iba sa inyo is going to, embrace your life purpose na sa ngayon. Maybe you're being called now to step into your life purpose na sa ngayon, at maaaring yung pagiging healer ninyo, no, is your life purpose. Maaaring yon ang mission ninyo sa buhay sa ngayon. We have passion, ayan, maybe, parang 2-in-1 ito, parang you're hitting 2 birds in 1 stone dito, kasi maaari din na yung pagiging healer ninyo, maaari din na yung pag-heal ninyo ng mga tao is your passion, no? Posible yon na yun din ang gusto ninyong gagawin, gusto ninyong gawin sa buhay, no? What else? We have well-being. This is good kasi maaari din Capricorn na reminder ito para sa inyo na alagaan ninyo ang inyong sarili, asikasuhin ninyo ang inyong well-being above anything else or above anyone else. Dapat yung kalusugan ninyo ang inyong iniisip lagi, no? That is should be your top priority. Lalong-lalo na na you are stepping into your life purpose na, so that is something big, no? Bigger than yourself. Kaya kailangan na handa kayo. You are physically fit, mentally and emotionally fit and ready dapat kayo dyan. Kaya i-prioritize ninyo ang inyong well-being, alagaan ang inyong sarili, para nang sa gayon, handa kayo para dito sa inyong misyon. What else? We have inspiration. Ayan. So, maybe you are getting that inspiration sa ngayon. Maybe you're being sent inspiration by the universe, no? Para nang sa gayon, masimulan nyo ng tahakin ang daan patungo doon sa pagsisilbi sa mga tao, no, by using your healing powers. So probably ganun ang sitwasyon dito, and maybe since siguro yung pag-heal ng mga tao, yung being a healer is also your passion, kaya maaari din na you are being inspired by that as well. So pipiliin niyo ditong i-embrace na ang inyong panggagamot, no? So, what else? We have angel number 0909, new beginnings. Ayan. So, mayroon kayong mga sisimulang bagong chapter sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, Capricorn. You are going to begin a new job, a new career, a new path, a new business, a new relationship. It could be anything, no? There is a great chance dito na na bubulaga sa inyo sa ngayon. There is an opportunity coming your way. Kailangan nyo lang na magpakatatag sa ngayon. You need to activate your courage and inner strength. Meron din kayong mga accomplishments, no, na maaaring makamit nyo na sa ngayon. Look out for an opportunity that might be a game changer. You are completing something major. It feels good to level up, close the old chapter. A new adventure will unravel. Ayan. So, yung accomplishment nyo na ito, no? That could be something na major na ginawa ninyo. Baka isang mahabang long-term project, mga ganon, na siguro ngayon finally matatapos nyo na. So what else? We have 11:22. Ayan, so you're up for a great shift. Merong malaking pagbabago dito na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, Capricorn, and maaring yan ay dahil dito sa pag-align sa inyo ng universe doon sa inyong life purpose. So, ang focus ng iba sa inyo ngayon is your personal growth, no? Personal growth, spiritual development, and you are also manifesting goals sa ngayon, which is really good. There is also completion, no? So, talagang meron kayong tatapusin dito. You're going to accomplish something dito, something big. Sabi dito, first, focus on the positive changes occurring due to your efforts. Then, expand your horizons and permit yourself to try something new. So many positive shifts are in store for you. The world around you is changing in favor of your intentions. So, ang daming pagbabago, malaking pagbabago ang magaganap sa buhay ninyo in and out of your life. Pero kung ano man ang mga pagbabagong ito, that is going to be in your favor. Now, lahat ng mga changes na yan is in your favor, which is really good. What else? We have angel number 0505. Ayan, unexpected shift. Tapos dito, great shift. May new beginning. So, definitely, merong malakihang transformation na magaganap sa buhay ninyo. Merong mga hindi kayo inaasahan ding pagbabago dito. Merong mga planado ninyo, merong kayo yung mag-initiate nito, and there are some also na hindi ninyo ito inasahang pagbabago because it is the divine intervention, 'di ba? Na magaganap dito. Yung divine universe ang gagawa nito para sa iyo. So, maaaring may mga biglaang challenges dito na hindi ninyo sukat akalain, but huwag kayong mag-alala, no? Because you will not be called to a certain mission if, 'di ba, hindi kayo susuportahan at tutulungan ng universe. Sabi dito, this number serves as a great nudge to pursue whatever interest you most. It's possible that something could rock your boat, but you'll end up exactly where you belong, which could be somebody's arms, your dream job, or abroad. See? Yung mga pagbabagong ito will be siguro will overwhelm you at first, pero magiging masaya ka pa rin at the end kasi dadalhin ka nito sa kung saan ka dapat, no? Kung saan ka dapat mapunta or makarating, yun ang mapupuntahan mo. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.